Note of purchasing life insurance and hospitalization cover. Now, hospital visits are at some point an unavoidable part of our lives, yet for many of us, the financial burden that comes with medical care is often overwhelming. To help people prepare for such unexpected times, the telco MTN has introduced a new solution that provides both life insurance and hospitalization cover to offer peace of mind to families when they need it most. Joining us on set to discuss this life insurance and hospitalization cover is Joshua Clever Mwanguzi, who is the risk and compliance lead at Insurance Cover by Momo. Many thanks for joining us.
Great to be here, sir.
How are you?
Oh, I am very, very well.
Interesting here. Telecoms are huffing and puffing. Introducing life insurance and hospitalization cover. Talk to us about that.
Sure, I'm very grateful. My name is Joshua Clever Mwanguzi. Blessed to be here to share this great news. I come all the way from Insurance Cover by Momo, where I lead risk and compliance. And a special shout out to every Ugandan who has signed up or bought a mobile money or an MTN SIM card, so you're utilizing MTN services. We are here with you. And we are not trying to get everywhere, but we are trying to get everywhere impactfully. So everywhere we believe there is opportunity to improve the livelihood of someone, that's why we're here. So we're here with you and introducing to you a product called Family Cover by Momo.
Family Cover by Momo.
Insurance Family Cover by Momo. That is simply as it is. And it's a very simple one. Again, we are moving away from the traditional way of I need to produce all these papers, I need to sign here, sign there. We are moving right to your gadget, to your handset, and making sure that you get opportunity when misfortune strikes. You know, you mentioned something and I remembered a friend told me a statement and said most Ugandans, and I know he meant Africans, are just one medical bill away from poverty.
No.
Think about that.
Yeah.
Most Ugandans are
very
just
sobering
one
reality.
Medical bill away from poverty. That means if you woke up and things went south, you probably had an accident and have been admitted, you probably have contracted an illness, or you've probably even left or passed on. Chances are high you are this close. There's just one small thin line between you and poverty. But as Momo and MTN, we are here to make sure you have a fallback position should these things come to you. And we are particularly targeting this unserved person.
Unserved person.
The person who says, well, I do not have a steady income. The person who says, I do not have a salary from where probably my employer would pay for me a traditional insurance coverage. MTN and Momo are here to say to you, you can simply sign up for this family cover product and make sure that you take responsibility for your life. I take an old adage that says, health is wealth.
Health is wealth.
So this is it. Everything that we are introducing, every product that we are bringing to you as a Ugandan, as a person, it is best served, it is best utilized when you are alive. Someone used to say an old statement, dead men can't dance. You know what that means? Once you're dead, the power to do anything is taken from you. But your health is your wealth, and that's why we're here. So you'd simply need to dial this code, 165, oh, let me go back, star 165, star 7, star 2, hash, with your handset. In fact, if you have your handset with me, we can follow through this process because it's a very simple process to both sign up all the way from signing up, adding your family members, all the way to the point of claiming. And you can just dial this code. It's star 165, star 7, star 2, hash. Now, once you dial this code, you're going to follow the prompts. It will take you to what we call Get Family Cover on your menu.
Oh, those are the different packages.
Yeah.
Family cover, personal,
cover. It's a personal
life
cover. Yeah.
All the
but
things
it
are there.
starts with you. So what we have done is we have actually bundled 3 different coverages in one for you. So by simply signing up, you're qualifying for an accidental hospitalization cover That's a personal accident. You're qualifying for an illness cover. Should you be admitted in hospital for more than 2 nights from any illness. And number 3, what we call a funeral cover of sorts. Should, when the Lord calls you, you have to answer. Should you pass away? We have also bundled that as part of this coverage. And guess what? It's as low as 4,000 shillings per month.
4,000 shillings per month.
So exactly as you add yourself, the main member, or you, the policyholder, we want to make sure first we take care of you, because it's your responsibility to now take care of others.
Of the rest, yeah.
So make sure you've secured yourself first, and that's how we've designed it. You have to join first, and then you can add your loved ones. Now we have extended it because we appreciate that it's not so often that the policyholder probably needs to utilize the insurance. But many a time, your child, many a time your spouse, many a time your sibling, right?
Might need it.
They might need it, or they might be in hospital, and you still have the burden of taking care of them.
Yeah.
Right? So after you have joined and added yourself, it is very beautifully easy for you to now add them. You can add your children, you can add your spouse, you can add your siblings. And now the only catch is here. You have to be a Ugandan who is aged between 18
I was just about to ask. Is this something that is available to anybody that holds an MTN line?
Yes.
Or you should be an MTN line holder who is a Ugandan?
Number 1 is an MTN holder, MTN SIM card holder, who is a Ugandan, aged between 18 years and 65 years.
18 and 65.
But now that's the main policy holder. But now as the main policy holder, you can add a child from 1 year to 21 years.
21. After 21, you're no longer
No. You're no longer a child. At that level, you are old enough to make a decision to buy your own SIM card.
That is right.
And get yourself signed up as well. An average Ugandan would start a family at about 22 or 25. Statistics would show you.
Okay.
Yeah, between there. So we'd expect at that point, you should be able to, start to think for yourself and get yourself signed up.
Okay.
But you can add siblings from 1 year to 65 years.
To 65.
You can add a spouse. Of course, now the spouse cannot be from 1 year. So for the spouse, you'd have to be between 18 years and 65 years. And we have modified and made this very simple for you, where you can make and schedule a payment to happen every month. So I'll take an example of an average family of a father, a mother, and say 2 children, right? So I'm a father. I select to utilize a policy of about 4,000 every month. I add my wife, another 4,000. I say for my 2 children, well, I'll go with how much? Let's use 2K each.
2K.
Just 2,000 shillings each. That's about 12,000, right? So I'm going to pay 12,000 shillings every month. And this is the catch. Should any of us, the 4, be admitted from an illness, from an accident,
or...
If I have selected the 4,000 package, MTN Momo is going to pay out 200,000 for every life that is claiming. Cash back on your Momo, of course. Cash back on your Momo. We want to make sure you are empowered to take the best financial decision once there's a medical bill that's coming.
That's right.
So we have actually intended not to pay the hospital, but to pay you so you can take care of the medical bill.
Interesting there. Wouldn't it be better if there was an understanding that excludes the beneficiary at some point? The reason is simple.
Yeah.
You could be in hospital, but there are a litany of other needs that might be taken care of on account of that money coming through on Momo.
Sure.
That is entirely your decision.
That's it. So, and the other thing is, we do not want to tie you to a particular hospital. So we do not want to say to you, you are in Namavundu, you are in Lukaya, in Masaka. And then we tell you, you have to go to this particular hospital. No, it doesn't add up. From our healthcare design, you can always go to a nearest registered licensed health facility, get treatment, get support, and then what we do is we pay you so you can pay the hospital.
Wow, interesting there, and quite transformational, no doubt. Just a bit of clarity on what is required. Just the SIM card holder, Ugandan, that means you should have a national ID that speaks to the facts that you are Ugandan. So the burden of documents and all these other things that come with setting up an insurance policy with the mainstream insurers is also something that has been taken off the table. Interesting there. So for people who have families as big as 7 like me.
Perfect. We have actually made sure you can account to up to 6 other family members. 6 others. So yourself inclusive is a total of 7.
Wow. Interesting there.
Yeah. And the catch is here. Now imagine you have signed up, let's say you, for argument's sake, you have 10 children and you have 1 wife, right? Special wife giving birth to 10 children.
You didn't have to smile to that.
We had to.
All right.
We are, so you could actually play it this way. You could say, I'll sign up as the main member on 1 SIM card and add the 6 children. My wife too can sign up and add the other 4. Or even, so there's a catch. You could, and by the way, 1 life can be covered by more than 1 policy.
More than 1 policy.
It means if I am the last born in the family, chances are high all my siblings can cover me. And this is what we will do as Momo.
Last born benefits. Oh my God.
And then first born, I don't know if
responsibilities.
Responsibilities is the perfect word.
Okay. Mr.
We'll make sure we
I'm afraid we're going to have to wind up this conversation. Any last words for your customers?
I think 2 things. One is do not get stuck when you can get help. I know we already have people who have signed up. We have people who are signing up even as I speak. I told you the code is *165 *7 *2 hash. I'll go slower. *165 *7 *2 hash and get family cover. The product is family cover. It's an insurance product by Momo. So any last words? You can actually claim the same way.
Okay.
And all you need to do is follow the process.
Joshua Clever Mwanguzi, Risk and Compliance Lead at Insurance Cover by Momo. Many thanks.